When I was in the Navy, I went in when I was 19, and you know, I really never experienced any kind of, well, you're Jewish, or, you know, never left out of anything. I was always in things and doing things with all my friends. I was the only Jewish person aboard ship. And I got along very well with most of the people. But some of the people looked at me, and I remember one person coming towards me and looking at my head. And I'm saying, what are you looking at? We gave him a nickname. He was called the Moose, because he looked like a moose. And he was from the Ozarks or somewhere along there. And he looked at me, and I said, well, what are you looking at, Moose? And he said, well, I'm looking for your horns. He never saw a Jew before. He thought Jews had horns. And I really got very angry. And aboard ship, in order to close the doors, which were all iron, they had what you call stanchions. You would put them into a hook, and you would push down and close the doors. And there were these stanchions, these metal stanchions that were on every door. And I took one off, and I was going to really hit him with it. But he realized that I was really angry, and he just backed away. But right after that, he became my best friend. But they didn't know what a Jew was. I really was so much aware that I had to watch myself with what I did and the way I said it. I mean, I guess I must have been uptight, because I didn't want to be different than the others, which I didn't think I was. But then again, I made sure that I said the right things and did the right things. I was just more aware of my Jewishness.